Hello, today I'm in Kia Niro. In this video I'll show you how to reset 12-volt battery and what does it do. In the beginning, take a look at the left side of your car. Right here we've got 12-volt battery reset button. Thanks to this button, you can reset your 12-volt battery. But why would you do that? Well, because if car detects that 12-volt battery is being fastly drained, even without you in the car, the car will automatically disconnect this 12-volt battery. Because of that, you'll be unable to enter your car without automatic opening, and then you'll have to open it with the key that's locked inside your keyboard. Key fob, sorry. So, when you enter the car and the 12-volt battery is disconnected, you simply have to press this button and then you have 15 seconds to start the car. After you start the car, just leave it for about 30 minutes or drive the same amount of time. It will allow the 12-volt battery to recharge, and then you'll get ready to drive again. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.